How to get Discord Nitro for free by using ORBS. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up Discord on your browser, and over here on the left hand side panel you would be able to find the option of quests. Simply click on it and then open it up, and over here you get different quests. Now some are video based and some are gaming based, where you have to play the games, and there are some other activities as well. Over here just simply click on this option of start video quest and the video will start. But on the top you would be able to find this option of this icon. Simply play the video and pause it at the end. Just drop this and play it again and it will end. Then click on claim rewards. Prove that you're a human to this, and this is how easily you would be able to complete the video quests. And just click on this option of again video quest and then click over here, then move forward it, then play it again and let it end and click on claim rewards. You don't have to watch the full video, just simply do this. And this is how easy it is to complete the video quests. And for the quest where you are required to play the games, you can simply open up this website, and over here you are getting this step-by-step guide on how to apply this tool and then use it in order to complete the quest where you need to play the games. But you will have to wait for 15 minutes. So in case if you want to play the game yourself, then just simply play the games and get the rewards. But if you want to automate it and just wait for 15 minutes and do your other stuff, then you can use this one. Just simply copy this code, and then you need to open up the Control Shift I to open the development tools, and after that you can paste the code, and this way you would be able to automate it quite easily. And there's one more way. In case if all your quests get over, simply open up the VPN of your choice. Like you can use Windscribe if you want to, and switch your location to some other location, and this way you would be able to see different quests and you can simply complete them. And this way you can keep changing your location to find different quests or more quests, and this way you would be able to earn more, and this way you would be able to do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.